guys, it's Zia. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. Hello! Today we're continuing with our 31 days of Halloween, and I'm going to show you guys how to make these really cute, super easy candle holders. You can do any pattern on here. I decided to do a bat and also a pumpkin. You can paint these any color you want, personalize it to whatever you like, and I'm just going to get started to show you guys how I did it. So the first thing you're going to need are jars, depending on how many candles you want to make. Not candles, candle holders. Depending on how many candle holders you want to make, you need that many jars. You also need some painter's tape, unless you can find stickers or something that are the perfect size and pattern that you want. You're also going to need some paints. I just used this plain acrylic paint. You can also use some more sophisticated stuff, but this is what I had on hand. I figured I should probably use it up. And you're going to need a pattern to trace if you don't have a sticker or anything. And if you're going to cut out your own pattern, you're probably going to need an X-Acto knife as well. So what I'm going to do here is take some painter's tape. And I'm just going to lay it on my counter because this counter is beat up anyway. If you already have tape that's the size that you need, you don't have to worry about piecing together tape pieces. But mine was fairly narrow, so I had to do it this way. And I have this little bat here that I'm going to be using for another DIY, so I figured I would just trace this little guy right here. So while this is laying on the tape, I'm just going to trace around it. Try not to move your stencil too much because that could really ruin your whole design. Now I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and cut out my pattern. Now that my pattern's cut out, I'm just pulling away the extra tape really carefully so that I'm just left with my stencil here that we're going to tape onto the jar. Next, we're going to peel off our stencil from whatever surface you have it on, and we're going to take our jar and simply place our stencil where we need it. Wherever you want it, you can put it as high or low as you would like. If you choose to do a bat, you can always have it at an angle too, but I just want mine as straight as possible. Make sure the edges are pushed down really well, or else this isn't going to work out too well. And next is the fun part. I'm going to lay down a paper towel so that it catches any paint, from spilling all over my perfect countertop. I'm going to take my paint and just pour it. And for the next part, you could either use a brush, but I have this little sponge thing here. It would be better if I had one that was more narrow, but this will work just fine. And I'm just going to paint my whole jar. I admit, we probably should have made the bat quite a bit smaller. So try to stick to small silhouettes, or else too much negative space is going to make for not a very good look. You just don't really get an effect. But this actually turned out pretty good. I'm very happy with this guy. Alright guys, so that's everything. That's how I made these candle holders. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can keep up with all the Halloween videos coming up this month. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.